Hi guys, I will tell you how to download MC Java Edition. Open any browser and search tluncher. Then click on first link. Then click on download. Then click Windows, then it will download a file. And install the file. Then after downloading, install the file like I am doing then. Make a profile. Without profile you can't play multiplayer. If you comment, then I will make how to play multiplayer. Then select your version you want to KO play, then it will install your version. Wait, then click on enter game.
Do the same setting like I am doing, or your game will lag very much.